Hey guys, I'm really excited because I'm filming my first ever empties video. Now, I don't have heaps because I only decided like maybe 2 months ago or something that I was going to start collecting my empties. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you what I do have in here. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. The first thing I have is this Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. It looks like it's not empty, but it's been washed out and everything. This is just like the stuff around the side. This was, it came in like a little trio with like 2 other masks. I did quite like this, but I feel like I probably got about 3 uses out of this. So I don't know if I used it enough to be able to make like a full opinion, if you know what I mean. But I think it was quite nice. I feel like Origins is quite a good brand and they get talked about a fair bit. So yeah, I feel like I did quite like it. But yeah, I did use that up, which was really nice. Obviously it was only a little sample size, but yeah. I do like it. I don't know if I would repurchase it. I feel like I have ones that I like better. But it was a good mask, if you're wondering. The next 2 things aren't exactly empties, but they are things I'm going to get rid of and that I've used up as much as I can. I know this first one is like, what the hell, like that's not even used up, but I don't care. So I have decided to get rid of this because I'm just never going to burn this ever again. Can you guys see that little bit of light on my face? Anyway, this is the Bath & Body Works Winter Candy Apple. I bought this in 2014 and I'm just never going to reach this. I'm just never going to burn it, so I've decided to call it a day. Get rid of it. I don't want it anymore. And I'm actually quite not excited, but like kind of excited. I have a friend who's really good at art, and I was thinking like, you know, I have so many candle jars and I don't want to like just throw them out because that is such a waste. Like some of them are so beautiful, you know. So I'm going to start giving all my candle jars to her so that she can paint them and like reuse them and stuff, which I think is such a cool idea, and I'm so excited to see what she makes with them. But yeah, this one, so this will go to her, and so will the next one I'm about to talk about. But yeah, I am getting rid of this because I just do not like it. To me, it's considered an empty because I'm like, no, I don't want you anymore. This next one, I'm going to call this an empty because I used it up to where I could, if you know what I mean. This is the Saltwater Taffy Candle by Bath & Body Works, and I wish I could keep this, but I don't know, like, what is that? You guys can see that, right? Like, you can just tell this candle, it's like 4 years old. It's, no, 6 years old. It's probably had it. It smells absolutely to die for, and I hope they bring this scent back, but it just looks a little bit messed up, and I'm going to get rid of it. You can see I obviously burnt this one a lot more. Probably has a couple burns left in it, but yeah, I don't think it's burnable. I don't really want to risk it. It looks kind of foul, so I'm like, my fault for not burning it for 6 years. But anyway, this is my next empty. But I do love that candle. It smells amazing. The next thing is the Body Shop Shea Shower Cream, and it really annoys me that I couldn't get that like last little bit out, but I did try. Anyway, yeah, I love this. This smells so good. I love the Shea. Oh, the Shea scent from the Body Shop is amazing. So good. I would 110% repurchase this. In fact, I think I already have another, or I at least have like a couple like moisturizers. I don't know what I've got over there at the moment, but yeah, 110% would definitely repurchase this. I love it. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Smells so good. I highly recommend checking this one out if you have a Body Shop near you. Next from the Body Shop, I used up the Vanilla Marshmallow Softening Body Butter. This one was quite old, I think. I think it was from like, it was one of their holiday ones from a couple years ago, I think, and I just finally used it up because I finally actually got into using my body care and stuff. But yeah, so this one is called Vanilla Marshmallow, and I used it up, which is great. It smells really nice. It just smells like vanilla, kind of, like maybe a little bit sweeter. But yeah, I love it. I wouldn't repurchase this one because they don't have it anymore, but I do really like their body butters. And I already have like 1,000 of their body butters to go through. Okay, that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I've got like 5. But yeah, I do love their body butters. How many times can I say body butter? This one is currently in my Mecca bag to repurchase because I love it. This is the Glam Glow Glow Setter. Oh, look at that. One spray left in it. No, this is definitely gone. I love this so much. It's so good. I'm just trying to remember the smell. Oh, I can't really remember what it smells like, but I do really love this. It's such a nice spray, and yeah, I do really want to repurchase this. It's quite expensive, and I do have lots of other setting sprays, so I do have it like on my wish list ready to repurchase when I've used up a few more of my setting sprays, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I do really love this. I recommend it. It's such a nice one. This was the mini one. The full size is like obviously a lot bigger, but this lasted me ages, like a really long time. So yeah, I do really love this. From Lush, I used up their cookie dough body scrub. This was once again something from the holidays. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one because it says if you bring back 5 clean Lush pots or tubes with this logo, get 1 free face mask. And I have a lot of Lush tubes, so. But yeah, this one smelled amazing. It was so good. Once again, it was from like Christmas time, and I did really like this. I feel like it didn't last me too long because it was like a little sample size, only 45 grams, but it was amazing. And yeah, I do really like this. I would repurchase it if they bring it back. Love it. So good. I used up a whole tube of duo. I've probably gone through so many of these. I use these obviously like every time I do my makeup, and before I ever got liquid latex, I used these. I used Duo Lash Glue to do all of my special effects stuff. Now I have obviously liquid latex, so I don't need to anymore. Yeah, this did the job, so you know, you can do whatever with whatever you have. Why is this turning into an inspirational talk? But no, I do really love the Duo Lash Glue. It's amazing. I've got a whole nother tube here ready to use. I've been using it since I first ever started makeup like 3 years ago, so. And then last but not least in my empties, I have the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Now, I don't use this to take my makeup off. I find it way too harsh and it hurts my skin a lot to take my makeup off. Now I use the Clinique Take Off the Day Balm, which works an absolute treat. I love that. It's so soft, so gentle. I can do so many makeup looks in a day and my skin never gets irritated from taking it off because of how gentle and amazing that cleansing balm is. When I used to use this to take my makeup off, it was bad. Really bad. I even had to go to the doctor one time and get ointment and stuff because one of my eyes flared up so bad, and like I had like a, not like a reaction, but it was just so irritated from like all the scrubbing to try and get like from this to try and take my makeup off, if you know what I mean. But I do really love this for another reason. I know I'm probably like, I'm not saying that this is bad or anything like that. It's a good product, but just not to take my makeup off. What I use this for is I use this to cut my crease. So I will take a cotton tip, take some micellar water, cut my crease. I'll use it to clean up like my eyes and just little jobs like that. So it is really handy to have, and you can see I've obviously used this whole bottle. I've just started on my second. So yeah, I do really like it. Not to take my makeup off, but to do things like clean up little makeup mistakes or to cut my crease or that kind of thing, you know. But yeah, that is all of my empties for this video. I'm not going to say for this month because I've been collecting these for a little while. But yeah, I'm really excited. As I said, I've just started kind of like getting into my body care and stuff, probably like, I feel like it kind of happened in isolation, like back in like April, because that's when, you know, I kind of had more time to do that stuff and realized how much I enjoyed it again. And I've just started burning my candles and all that kind of stuff, so I'm really excited. I think next time I'll have like a few more empties. But yeah, just wanted to do this video because I'm like so excited. I've never filmed one of these before in my whole 3 years of YouTube. That's exciting. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you've used up recently in the comments. I find it so satisfying to know what people are using up, because as a YouTuber, I have so much makeup that I just can't seem to ever use anything up. Like, but yeah, I would love to know what you guys have been using. So definitely let me know in the comments below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next one. Bye!